Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be updating this dresser behind me without using any paint. So this dresser came with the house, but it was missing a drawer, as you can kind of see. For a while I really wasn't sure what to do with it, but I've decided to just give it a really thorough clean and kind of finish that little cubby hole and use it as a TV stand for up in the attic in the music studio. So first things first, I'm gonna clean up all the dust. It was up here for part of the renovations of this attic, so it is very dusty, and I'm gonna need to take that off just in general, but also to make sure that the wallpaper adheres to it.
Shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know, this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make.
Alright, I feel like I've given it a pretty good clean, so now I'm gonna turn it over and try to take the wheels off.
I will have you next to me. Tonight we have it all.
This is what it looks like with the wheels off. I'm just gonna put the felt pads on top of these, like where the casters were.
We've been in two places all at once.
After cleaning the dresser, I measured the bottom of the empty shelf and cut the wallpaper to size.
Haven't seen each other for so long. I know, this is
I laid the wallpaper on the shelf without removing the backing so that I could mark any areas that needed adjustments.
I think I am gonna have to cut out the corners a little bit because it looks like there's some wood back here that I didn't realize, but other than that, I think it looks like a good fit.
tonight we have it all. We're dancing as one.
And then I removed the backing and used my hands to press it onto the wood.
We're dancing as one.
Once it adhered to the shelf, I used a plastic putty knife to scrape away any air bubbles underneath the wallpaper.
I'm moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one.
Sounds like scratching an itch.
Why are you talking to yourself?
I'm talking to you too.
Mm-hmm.
I was hoping that you would respond to some of that. So it's a little bit off, like it just moved forward a little bit, so I'm just gonna cut this piece. So I just ran this blade along the edge of the wood, so that way the wallpaper wraps around this piece and kind of makes it look a little more finished. And now I'm just gonna use this utility blade to cut the excess off.
That is hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your while.
Once I was finished with the wallpaper, I installed the new knobs.
All right, Joe is going to drill some holes in the back for cords because we're gonna put like the gaming consoles that we have up here and the TV. So we wanna make sure we can put cords through it.